People measure a house by how old their olive tree is. And this one is almost 1,000 years old.
1,000-year-old olive tree.
So to prove the age of it, it comes with a passport, it's shipped in from Italy. Like, I can go on about the details, it's ridiculous. And then you got this detail coming across, and this is Antonio Lupe bathtub. The architect is very sophisticated. He put this little slotting inside the facade, so from here, you get the view of broiler lettuce.
That's through. Intentional.
Intentional.
Jeez, that's sweet. I've been around. I've been in nice places, I've been in nice hotels, but this is the next level. Chris had arranged a meeting with someone very special, Kareem Garby. In Dubai, everyone knows that name. He's built a reputation anticipating what the ultra-wealthy want before they ever ask for it, curating experiences for the 1% of the 1%. This is the level where the ultra-rich operate, where attention to detail isn't optional. Because at that level, perfection isn't expected, it's required. Here, there is simply no margin for error.
I brought Brian.
Yes, Brian, how are you?
Nice to meet you,
Kareem,
Brian.
Great to meet you too. How do you do?
I'm doing good, I'm doing good.
Welcome to, don't call this a house, dude. What do you call this?
I don't
a
know.
mega mansion?
It's not a mansion, it's like another level.
It is heaven.
You know, when you come to Dubai, there's a lot of like hidden gems, right? Stuff that they don't know about. So that's where Kareem comes in.
Fascinating. Like most people don't even know that this service exists or that people would need this service.
You saying service is a great example because if you buy a Toyota and you take it to a service, you know, there's a type of service. When you buy a hypercar, there's a different type of service. So basically, the quickest example I can give you, when you check into a hotel, you want to make a normal restaurant booking, you call the concierge and the concierge at the hotel. So we are exactly the same principle. But for mega mansions like this, when they call us, they don't want to make the restaurant booking. They want the head chef from Nobu to come from Japan and cook for them at their house in those type of kitchens. So the demands are often not normal. Sometimes art pieces that are valued to the same value of this house, which is over 200 million, they just want them to be shipped here for the day. And you just say yes and make it happen. We don't judge, we just deliver.
Yes, exactly.
If I'm someone who just bought this house and I come in the first 2 weeks, what are some of the requests that you might typically get?
I tell you, first, they don't want to drive a normal Ferrari. They usually, to this caliber, they would want a limited edition. Then it comes after that, the number plate. They won't be driving a normal number plate. So it will be number 5, number up to 99 will be good, 111.
And that's what maybe the man wants. What does the woman want?
They want, I can tell you, the first thing is the Birkins. They want the collection of the Birkins, because that wardrobe there, you need about 50 Birkins to fill it up. To get one Birkin, you need to have it's a waiting list usually of years. So they call us and we'll just make sure before they move in, the entire wardrobe is full.
I thought you were gonna say it was the kids' school that was most important.
No. You are in Dubai, you know that?
You know, I was just down at Benghazi, and they got this brand new Mercedes complex, right? 11 buildings. They got the Bugatti building, you know, that just sold out, this really expensive penthouse. And you got all this other off-plan luxury. How is that different? Or how is that buyer different and that experience different from something like this?
Can't you not see the difference? If you're part of the complex, you're part of the complex, even if it's a penthouse. You're here in the ground, you have a home. You have an institution, you have a legacy. That's something you can keep for this. You can't compare any penthouse. And I do personally love penthouses.
Right.
But it's for a certain caliber of people.
Okay.
This is old money. This is an institution. This is the legacy. This is the people you want to invite back to your home. This is a statement.
Dubai luxury real estate is exploding right now, but the biggest money is not being made where most people are looking. My name is Brian Rose from London Real. I've spent 15 years on Wall Street and the last 5 years studying the Dubai property market up close. And almost nobody sees where the real money is being made. In premium luxury transformation projects that have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. One recent project on Palm Jumeirah delivered 93.8% in just 12 months. For years, these opportunities were locked inside private investment networks. You never saw them. You never had access. Participation in these projects typically starts around $20,000 per investor. If you're serious about deploying capital in Dubai this year, click the link below and apply for a short investor strategy call with our team. Make sure you put that video call link into your calendar. Your opportunity starts today.